All right, Raj, here is the function of your heater control panel. So we're gonna do a little bit with the car not running, so I can just kind of, so it's a little clearer when I'm talking. So this is your fan speed. All the way down is off, and it's a resistor style. It's a completely electronic control unit, so it's got some cool little trick functions. So there's a midpoint, which is midpoint, and you know it's variable from that point. This next lever is the fan or the vent layout. So all the way up is full defrosters. So it'll blow out of your windshield defrosters. And then you've got a midway point, which is going to be midway between your defrosters and your low vents. And all the way down is going to just be your lower vents. And then so the next knob is your heater control knob, and it also turns on your AC. All the way down is full heat. All the way up until you feel like 2/3 of the way up, there's a little detent that the lever will fall into. That's going to be your lowest non-air conditioning setting. And then I'm going to turn the truck on so you can see how the AC functions. So we are just in regular low heat mode. Now when we move it up all the way to the top, you can see that little blue light turns on. That is your air conditioner has kicked on. You can hear it. It actually just kicked on. The compressor kicked on. So this is a mixing style system. So this is actually like a modern car as far as you can have the heat on and your air conditioner running at the same time if you're trying to defrog this thing, say in the wintertime when it's cold out. So the AC will continue to dry the air, and you will also be able to mix in heat with it. So when you want to turn your AC off though, here's the thing. You can see I'm down into the heat setting now, but your little blue AC light is still on, so your compressor is still running. In order to switch the compressor off, you have to go full hot, and then you see your light turns off. Now the compressor has turned itself back off. Now you're in full heat mode. So you get 2/3 all the way up to the top, compressor's back on, AC is running, and you've got control of the temperature of the cab all the way down to where you're blowing hot air, just hot, dry air. And all the way down, switches off your compressor. That is the function of your HVAC control panel.